Have you ever walked into your garage and felt completely overwhelmed by the clutter? Tools everywhere, random boxes, things you forgot you even owned? What if I told you that you could transform that messy garage into an organized, efficient workspace, using only scrap wood that's probably already lying around? Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're building 5 smart, simple and budget-friendly wood organizers that turn chaos into clean order. Let's get started with idea number 1, the vertical tool rack. This project is perfect for anyone tired of digging through drawers or bins for the right tool. All you need are a few wood planks or old pallet boards, a drill and some screws. Simply measure and cut slats to fit along your garage wall, add hooks or nails, and you've got yourself a customized tool rack. You can even stain or paint the wood to match your space. It's quick, it's easy, and it costs next to nothing, yet it looks like something straight out of a professional workshop. Next, idea number 2, the rolling storage crate. If you have leftover plywood or pallet boards, this project is gold. Cut your boards into equal panels, screw them together into a rectangular crate, and attach small caster wheels at the bottom. You can use it to store power tools, garden supplies, or even car wash equipment. The best part? You can roll it around your garage with ease. Add a quick coat of matte paint, label it, and suddenly, your scrapwood crate looks like a designer industrial storage bin. Now let's move on to idea number 3, the corner shelf organizer. Every garage has that one corner where random things just pile up, right? Well, it's time to give that corner a purpose. Using simple scrap boards, cut triangular shelves that fit neatly into your garage corner. Stack 2 or 3 levels high and you've instantly created space for spray cans, paint, and small tools. You don't even need fancy tools for this, just a saw, some screws, and sandpaper. With a little finishing touch, it looks custom-made and practical. Moving to idea number 4, the overhead storage rack. This one might sound complicated, but it's actually simple when you break it down. Grab some sturdy wooden beams and install them onto your ceiling joist using heavy-duty brackets. Attach flat panels underneath to form a shelf. This project is perfect for items you don't use every day, camping gear, seasonal decorations, or spare lumber. By lifting these items off the ground, you free up floor space and make your garage feel larger and more open. Plus, it's a great way to reuse old beams and boards that would otherwise go to waste. Finally, idea number 5, the multi-purpose workbench with storage. This is the centerpiece of any organized garage. You can build it entirely from leftover wood pieces. Just make sure your top surface is smooth and level. Underneath, add shelves, small drawers, or hanging hooks to keep your tools within reach. If you have old kitchen cabinet doors or drawers, you can repurpose them to make your bench look more finished and professional. Once you're done, you'll have a durable workstation that not only saves space but makes every project easier and more enjoyable. Now here's the best part, all these garage storage ideas can be built with scrap materials that cost almost nothing. You don't need fancy wood, expensive tools, or a massive budget. It's all about using what you already have, working smart, and adding small creative details that make your space both functional and stylish. Before you start any of these builds, take a few minutes to sort your scrap wood. Group similar sizes together, remove nails or screws, and sand down any rough edges. You'll be amazed how much usable material you already have just waiting to be turned into something practical. If you want to make your garage feel even more polished, try finishing your wood with a quick stain or a clear sealant. A touch of finish not only protects your projects but gives them that high-end look. And since you're using scrap, it's totally okay to mix different wood tones. It adds a rustic, handcrafted charm that's uniquely yours. The beauty of these projects is that they're modular. You can build one at a time, customize them for your specific needs, and even combine ideas, like adding a small tool rack above your workbench or a crate system under your shelves. That's the magic of working with wood: flexibility, creativity, and endless room for improvement. So next time you look at that messy pile of scrap wood, don't see junk, see opportunity. Each piece has potential to make your space more efficient, more beautiful, and more personal. And remember, an organized garage isn't just about neatness. It's about creating a space where your creativity can thrive. Because when everything has its place, your mind has space to build, create, and dream bigger. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed these wood organizer ideas and want more creative, low-cost woodworking inspiration, Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications. New DIY and woodworking content is coming your way every few days. Projects that save money, look amazing, and make everyday living simpler. Until next time, keep crafting smart, keep building with heart, and keep turning your scrap into something special.